day routine because I don't want it to be dragged out too long, but I still feel like this video is going to be a little long because I want to be informative and I want to actually tell you guys what I typically do. I'm trying to make it as realistic as possible without like cutting corners and leaving out stuff. So when I know I'm about to wash my hair, I usually just drench my hair in oil, drench my scalp in oil, because I typically don't oil my hair because it's straight and I don't want to weigh it down. Now, when it does start getting oily, then that's when I just, you know, go in with the oil. So the oils that I typically like to use is the Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil, this right here, and I'll make sure to link everything down below. I also like to use jojoba oil, this right here. These two oils, it just really depends on what I grab first. So this is jojoba oil that I got from iHerb, and also argan body oil that I got from iHerb. I don't know if this is good for the hair, but those are the oils that I have. And then I recently, actually yesterday, I just picked up the old school hair grease, Indian hemp, because I love the smell of this and I needed some more oil. Well, I didn't really need more oil. I just wanted to, you know, go back to my roots and see how this works for my scalp. So I oiled my scalp with this last night and I actually scratched up my scalp as well. Take my brush and like do this number. Sometimes I'll go through like and part my hair and scratch it up with my rat tail comb, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna go in and brush out my hair. So once I feel like it's like all brushed out, I'm gonna go in and take my clip-ins out because I need to wash my hair. And I'm going to be wearing it curly for a video, and then in a couple days, a week, I'm going to have my hair straight again. Sometimes they are a little matted, but I did take my clip-ins down yesterday, oiled my scalp, and I also trimmed my hair while it was dry and dirty like this. So yeah, I just take my clip-ins out. And I'm gonna keep doing this until all of my clip-ins are out. Like I said, I only have 3 clip-ins in my hair because this month I've been wearing my hair up in a ponytail. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my hair has been in a ponytail pretty much all month. Well, not, of course, not literally 24 hours a day, but when I go out, that has been my style for this month. Taking this last clip-in out, and these are my Her Given Hair clip-ins that was originally 17 inches. Well, not 17, they're 17 inches now because I measured them, but they were originally like 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so I just had 3 clip-ins in, and this is my hair without the clip-ins, and I just like to go through and brush my hair out and make sure it's detangled and everything before I get in the shower and wash my hair and start the whole washing process. It just makes everything easier when my hair is combed out. So that is what I am doing, and this is also a good time to like just scratch my scalp and lift up any of that buildup off my scalp. So when I do get in the shower, this process goes a lot quicker. Did you get me? Oh, and this is another thing, if you guys ever see my hair just like not really slicked back, but slicked back in like a ponytail like this, that probably means I have a whole bunch of oil in my hair and it's about to be wash day. This feels so good, by the way. Oh, I'm supposed to be showing you guys the back of my hair. Okay, so this is how the back looks. Hopefully I include this in the video because sometimes when I see my hair from the back, I'm just like, ooh, cringy. I don't want to include it. Everything seems to be all brushed out. This side is always like way more full than this side. I don't know what that is about, but yeah, everything is combed out. I am going to keep my hair in a side part. I don't think, yeah, you guys aren't going to see me like style my hair. I will link that video once it's up because I'm putting on a U-part wig, well, a curly U-part wig. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the shower. Okay, once I'm in the shower, I just let my hair suck up as much water as it needs to suck up, because majority of the time, once it's time for me to wash my hair is very, very dry. So I just let the water run through my hair and let it revert back as much as it will. And then once I feel like my hair has reverted completely back, then I'll go in and shampoo. For shampoo, I'm taking this Afro-G Serious Care and Protection Shampoo for damaged hair. It cleanses gently, restores shine, helps strengthen the hair, and it normalizes the pH. So I really like this shampoo because, of course, my hair is damaged. Y'all see me. And it's like really moisturizing, so I really like that aspect of it. And then once I'm done giving my scalp a good scrub, I like to go through and finger detangle my hair. I don't know about y'all, but I like to detangle my hair the whole way through me washing my hair. It might take me a little bit longer to wash my hair, but in the end, when it comes to styling, when it comes to blowing my hair back out, it's just so much easier to do it. So I do all of my detangling in the shower, and I just try to keep it detangled throughout that whole process. And once I have finger detangled and sectioned everything off, I like to go in with my Denman brush. I love this thing. I really need to get another one because this one is on its way out, but I'm still using it. So I'm just going to go through and actually detangle my hair with this brush. And as you guys can see, I'm going very, very slow, and I'm using the water as well to, of course, rinse out the shampoo. And just twist my hair right back up so that it stays detangled. I'm trying to keep it detangled, okay? Now I'm just going through each section to make sure all of the shampoo is out of my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my second shampoo. And for my second shampoo, I'm using the Aussie Miracles Curl shampoo. I think this is the coconut kind, but I will link the exact one down below if I can find it. I think I got it from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken, but it's the Aussie line. All of the Aussie stuff is really, really good in my hair. So I continue to use it. So I'm going to keep lathering this, scrub my scalp, and just get my hair as clean as possible. Make sure I get my edges. Now to deep condition my hair and kind of like revive my hair, because I have been heat styling my hair a lot, I go in with the Afro-G texture treatment. This thing right here, I've been using it for years and it never does me wrong. I really feel like it revives my hair, it moisturizes my hair, it also improves the elasticity in my hair, it repairs the damage, of course. And I just think this is a really, really good deep conditioner, and I never really see anybody talk about this deep conditioner. So if y'all have ever tried this deep conditioner, let me know I'm not tripping, because I really, really like this deep conditioner, and I've obviously been using it. Well, it's not obvious, but I've literally been using it for more than 4 years. So now that the deep conditioner is in my hair, I'm gonna take this black plastic bag and let the deep conditioner sit in my hair for 20 minutes, but it turned into overnight because I ended up falling asleep. Now it's the next morning, and you guys can literally see that my edges are pretty much dry and the ends are the only thing that's still drenched with the deep conditioner, but I think that's okay. I don't think it hurts my hair to like keep it in overnight. If you're a hairstylist and you're watching this video, let me know, because y'all know I'm not a hairstylist. I just do what feels right. Okay, I don't be knowing what I'm doing for real, so don't be yelling at me in the comments. I'm not a hairstylist. So at this point, because I did sleep in the deep conditioner, I really noticed that my hair was like super buttery and moisturized. So when I went to go brush through my hair
with the dimming brush just to make sure it was still detangled. It literally was just sliding through. So I think that was a good thing that I allowed it to like sink into my hair. And I'm gonna make sure I rinse all of this deep conditioner or texture treatment out of my hair, and then move into protective styling my hair. So for my protective style, I did a twist down for my braid down, and then I also did a twist out on my leave out, and I'm going to be putting on this U part that I got from Her Given Hair. If you guys want to see the whole process of me braiding my hair down, well, twisting it down and twisting down my leave out and then styling the unit, I will link that video in my cards. But that's pretty much how I decided to protective style my hair this go around, and it came out really, really cute. You know, it looks like my hair.
So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love y'all, and I will see you guys very soon. And if you haven't already seen this video on the screen, definitely check it out. And like I said, I will see you guys really, really soon. Love y'all.